What I'm about to share with you tonight, most doctors will never say this in their office. And honestly, that makes me angry, because right now, while you're watching this video, your liver is working harder than it should, especially if you're over 60. You see, after the age of 60, your liver loses nearly 40% of its detoxification power. 40%, and the toxins that your liver used to clear in one night, they're now building up. Slowly, silently, but here's what nobody is telling you: there is one simple drink, made from ingredients you already have in your kitchen, that can activate your liver's natural cleaning process overnight. I've been a physician for over 22 years. And this is one of the most powerful things I recommend to my senior patients. Stay with me until the end of this video, because I'm also going to tell you the number one mistake that 97% of seniors make every morning, and it's silently destroying their liver. Let's begin. Now, let me ask you something. Do you wake up feeling tired, even after 8 hours of sleep? Do you feel bloated, especially in the morning? Do you notice a bitter taste in your mouth when you wake up? Or maybe your skin has been looking a little dull, a little yellowish? If you said yes to even one of these, your liver is sending you a warning signal. And here's why this matters so much after 60. Between 1 and 3 in the morning, that is when your liver is most active. That is when it filters your blood, breaks down toxins, metabolizes hormones, and prepares your body for the next day. But as we age, the blood flow to the liver decreases by up to 40%. The liver cells, we call them hepatocytes, they start working slower. And the enzymes responsible for detoxification, they lose their effectiveness. So what happens? Toxins accumulate, inflammation increases, and you wake up feeling exhausted, foggy, and puffy. This is not normal aging. This is your liver asking for help. And today, I'm going to give you the exact recipe that helps it. Now let's talk about the drink itself. And I want to give you the science, because I want you to understand why this works. Not just take my word for it. The drink has 4 key ingredients. Number 1, turmeric. Turmeric contains a compound called curcumin. A 2019 study published in the journal Nutrients found that curcumin activates an enzyme called NRF2, which is essentially the master switch for liver detoxification. It tells your liver, wake up, start cleaning. And here's the important part. Curcumin also reduces liver inflammation by blocking a protein called NF-κB. For seniors, this is critical, because chronic liver inflammation is one of the main drivers of fatty liver disease. Number 2, fresh lemon juice. Lemons are rich in vitamin C and a compound called D-limonene. Studies show that D-limonene stimulates bile production in the liver. And bile is how your body removes fat-soluble toxins. No bile, no detox. Number 3, fresh ginger. Ginger contains gingerols and shogals. These are powerful anti-inflammatory compounds. A study from 2015 in the World Journal of Gastroenterology showed that ginger extract significantly reduced liver enzyme levels in patients with non-alcoholic fatty liver disease. And number 4, black pepper. This one surprises people. But black pepper contains piperine, and piperine increases the bioavailability of curcumin by 2000%. Without black pepper, most of the turmeric just passes through your body without being absorbed. Together, these 4 ingredients create what I call a liver activation protocol. And the best time to take it? Right before bed. Now let me give you the exact recipe. Write this down. You will need 1 cup of warm water. Not hot, not cold, warm, around 40 degrees Celsius or about 104 Fahrenheit. Hot water destroys the enzymes in lemon juice. Half a teaspoon of turmeric powder. Or if you have fresh turmeric root, use a 1-inch piece, grated, the juice of half a fresh lemon. Not bottled lemon juice. Fresh only. Bottled versions are pasteurized and lose most of their D-limonene content. A 1/4 teaspoon of freshly grated ginger. Or half a teaspoon of ginger powder, and a small pinch of black pepper. Just a pinch. That's all you need to activate the curcumin, optional but powerful. Add 1 teaspoon of raw honey. How to prepare it? Step 1. Heat your water to warm, not boiling. Step 2. Add turmeric and ginger. Stir for 30 seconds. Step 3. Squeeze in the lemon juice. Step 4. Add the pinch of black pepper. Step 5. Stir everything together and drink slowly, over 5 to 10 minutes. Drink this every night for 14 days. And I promise you, the difference in how you feel in the morning will be remarkable. But wait, I need to tell you about the number 1 mistake most seniors make. And it could be canceling out everything good you're doing for your liver. Most seniors drink coffee or eat breakfast within the first 30 minutes of waking up, and that is one of the worst things you can do for your liver. Here's why. In the morning, your liver is finishing its detox cycle. It's flushing toxins into the bile duct, preparing to eliminate them through your digestive system, but when you immediately eat or drink caffeine, you stimulate your digestive system too fast. The bile gets reabsorbed, the toxins go back into circulation, and your liver has to start the process all over again. The solution is simple. When you wake up, before coffee, before food, drink 1 large glass of room temperature water with a squeeze of lemon. I call this the morning flush. It takes 30 seconds, but it changes everything. So your new routine is: night, the turmeric liver drink; morning, the lemon water flush, 2 steps. 2 minutes total. Now, as a physician, I have to be honest with you. This drink is very safe for most people. But there are exceptions. Do not take this drink if you are taking blood thinners, like warfarin or Xarelto. Turmeric has mild, blood-thinning properties. If you have active gallstones or gallbladder disease, turmeric stimulates bile flow and can trigger pain. If you are scheduled for surgery within 2 weeks, stop turmeric at least 14 days before. If you take diabetes medications like metformin, turmeric can lower blood sugar further. If you have acid reflux or GERD, ginger may worsen symptoms in some people. If you're unsure, please talk to your doctor first. For the majority of seniors watching this drink is completely safe, natural, and backed by real science. So what can you expect when you start this protocol? In the first 3 days, most people report better sleep quality. Your liver works more efficiently and produces less metabolic waste that disrupts sleep. By day 5 to 7, you'll notice less bloating in the morning. Your digestive system responds quickly to improved bile flow. By week 2, many of my patients report clearer skin. When the liver works better, the skin shows it, and by week 3 to 4, energy levels. This is the big one. When your liver is clean, it metabolizes nutrients more efficiently, and your cells get better fuel. I want to say one more thing: you did not get here by accident. You clicked on this video because you're taking your health seriously, and that already puts you ahead of most people. Your liver has been working for you every single day of your life. It's time to give it some help. Start tonight. Make this drink, do the morning lemon flush, and come back in 2 weeks and tell me in the comments, how do you feel? I read every comment. If this video helped you, please subscribe and hit the bell. I post new videos 4 times a week, every week, and every single one is designed to give you real, practical health information. Leave a comment below with the word liver, and I will send you the complete PDF guide with the recipe, the morning flush routine, and 3 bonus liver supporting foods. Thank you for being here. Take care of yourself. I'll see you in the next video.